Directly from 42nd Street in Midtown Manhattan, New York. I am your host Harbin and you're watching my channel YOLO. You only live once. Let's talk about today's topic. I received this offer from Capital One for pre-qualified unlimited 1.5% cashback. Okay, so Capital One Quicksilver unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase every day, 0% intro APR on purchases until September 2023. No balance transfer, just purchases. $0 annual fee. So 0% APR for purchases until September of 2023, but no balance transfer. Not a bad offer. Okay, if you are looking for a credit card, maybe this Capital One credit card might be the answer for you. So now let's see what are the offer details. Okay, so there's a reservation number. Total annual fee is $0. So they have an access code. You are pre-qualified for this offer. Unlimited 1.5% cashback. Our lowest intro APR. Okay, we recently reviewed your credit information and designed an offer that we believe is right for you. 0% APR for September 2023, unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase every day, 0% annual fee, automatic credit line reviews, tap to pay convenience, shopping with rewards, express report, scan and visit. Know your credit score and more. Apply now and get a response in seconds. Okay, I'm not a fan of Capital One. I've never ever applied for this credit card. I don't think I'm going to apply for this credit card ever. But I just wanted to share with you that, okay, that Capital One is sending 0% APR on purchases. So if you are actually looking for a credit card, this might be a good option for you. Okay, unlimited 1.5% cashback, 0% APR, 0% annual fee, be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. So that's another good thing if you're starting. So Capital One might be a good building blocks for a higher credit limit cards. So basically they will actually consider you for higher credit limit in as little as 6 months. So if you want to play this game, the way to play this game is to actually use the card regularly, first thing, then pay the card in full every month. So don't carry balances on the card if you are looking to increase limit. If you want to increase limit, utilize the card. So utilize 20, 30, 40, 50% of the card, but pay it every month so that bank has the confidence that you can pay that much amount every month, and then they will increase the limit. If you carry credit on your credit card, okay, if you carry the balance on your credit card, banks are not going to increase the limit, because if you are already having tough time paying the balance on the card, why you need more limit? Okay, so that's the thing. That's the question they will ask you. So if you want to play this game, play it right. Utilize the card more, but pay in full every month. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. If you want to see anything interesting for you, any question you have, financial question or anything, and want a different perspective on it, you can actually leave the comment. I'll try to actually get to it. Once again, Capital One seems to be offering 0% APR on the purchases until September of 2023, which seems like a good offer. So make use of it, and for a beginners, and they are also saying that they will consider increase in credit limit in 6 months. That's a good thing. Have a great day. Thank you.